Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and welcome. My name is Lucy, and if you're not new, welcome back to the video. So today's video, we're going to just play with makeup. Yeah, that's basically it. It's been a while since I sat down with you guys and like we did a full makeup bit. I guess maybe I just, every time I start these videos, I'm like, where am I going to start? Where am I going to finish? And I don't know. I might start with soft bit. I might start with medium. Whatever. I don't know. I just need to kind of hydrate first before. You don't forget to subscribe that button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I actually upload a video. Now let's get into this makeup because I've been dying to play with makeup for a while. It's been a tough year. It's been tough, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm like so over 2020 already. So first things first, my skin is dry as, and we're just going to hydrate it and moisturize. For brows, I already did my brows off camera, and I used the Brow Benefit cream gel. Now this is in shade 6 if I'm not wrong. Right, goddamn focus. My brows are really dark, so that's like the darkest shade from Benefit. So we're going to go in with primer, and I'm just going to be using the Becca Skin Love primer. For this primer, it blurs out your pores. I kind of like it for my everyday because baby, we got pores, and we need them filled up and hidden. I have been doing a lot of creative makeup on my Instagram and alternative makeup. I don't know, something kind of just sparked in me a while back, like about 2 months ago, and I was like, you know what, I was an artist once. I mean, like, why not incorporate everything on my face with makeup? And I have been loving it so far. We have been growing. Oh my god, we have been growing, and I have met so many amazing people through doing such makeups because I didn't know that side of Instagram existed, and I'm sure you don't know either. So head on to my Instagram, check me out. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to conceal underneath my foundation. I know that's like opposite, reverse contouring or reverse whatever, but girl, if you want that glowy finish on your face, this is it. So for contouring, I'm going to go in with this Fenty match stick in espresso. This is my favorite contour stick ever. This has been like my go-to for the past years, I think, since Fenty started. I'm actually almost out of it. I'm just going to contour every part where I would definitely contour. For concealer, I'm going to use my Canvas Cosmetics concealer. This is in shade 4. Now I will conceal on my nose, near my nose, and on the outer corner of my eye. Reason is because I do not want creasing under my eye. I believe I look a little bit crazy right now. I'm just going to contour my nose, and I'm just going to take a small brush just like that and dip it onto my contour, and we're just gonna do the contouring from the bridge of my nose all the way down and all the way up near my eyebrows. Kind of give it that definition, like it's coming all the way from my eyebrows. So alright, now for foundation, I'm going to be using 2 foundations. This one is a L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blend Foundation. Like, I've had this foundation since 1900s. And the other one is Shiseido Synchro Skin Refreshing Foundation. So I'm going to blend these two in because this one is in 28 mahogany if I'm not wrong, isn't it? Yeah, mahogany. But if you see, it's a bit too how do you say, yellowish. It's a bit too golden for me, and also this one is a little bit too pale for me, so I'm going to blend them in to kind of create my perfect shade. So for this, I'm going to use a brush first, then we're going to go in and blend the finishing with my sponge. Okay, that can work. That can work. Now I see most people conceal on their forehead. I used to conceal on my forehead. I'm guilty as well, but I just learned if you conceal on your forehead, it kind of, you know, kind of elevates or exposes your wrinkles. If you have wrinkles, like if I do this, then it creases, which is not the best, you know, thing if you want, if you're old like me, you know, and you know, wrinkles have started appearing on your face and you don't know what to do. Yeah, so don't conceal on your forehead. Like, just use a little bit from the nose and just work it up and blend it up. That's what I do. So next in, we're just going to go in with powder. Should I do powder first or should I do bronze and then powder? Yeah, we're going to bronze first, and I'm going to be using the new Pixie Sheer Sunshine Summer Glow palette. Now this palette looks beautiful. It's a beautiful, but I do not know if it's for me, but we're going to try it out. This is like my first impression on it. Like, do you see how beautiful it is? Like, it has such beautiful shimmers. I will use this for highlights as well, just so that we can see how it goes and how everything works on my skin. But for now, the darkest shade, which is the darkest shade? Nah, that one is even lighter than my skin. About that one. Now that's like close to my foundation. And there's that one. Everything's a bit chalky, but anyway, let's see. So I'm just going to go in with this shade right here and mix it with this and see how it goes. I don't know. Do you even see anything? Nope. Not by a long shot. This is not, if you're dark skin like me or my color, then this is only good for the highlight, of which I haven't even tried the highlights, but we're going to try it. But well, that was a disappointment. A big disappointment. So I'm just going to use the Fenty matchstick as well, but this time I'm just going to rub my brush all over it. That's how much I like to see something contouring my face and bronzing my face. Like, I want to see the definition of my cheekbones. Do you know what I mean? For blush, I'm going to go in with the blusher Reloaded Coral Dream from Revolution. Next thing, I'm going to go in with the powder. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder. This is it looks like that. So this is one of the powders I use to set my makeup. So what I do is, instead of dipping the brush or the beauty blender right inside the powder, I learned to do this. Like, you just pour a little bit on your palm and use the beauty blender to like soak it in from there. Kind of blend everything from there so that it's not too harsh on your face once you put the powder on. And voila. Oh my god, just look at that. Oh. I mean, this trick is everything. Everything. Do you know what I mean? Like, everything. If there's one thing I want you to come out of this video having learned, is that little trick with the powder, because it's a break or make your makeup type type of situation up in here. Okay, now for highlight I'm going to use this sheer summer glow palette. I am not mad at this at all. Like, oh, so beautiful. I swear to God, whenever my face looks like this, it's every single time when I'm not going anywhere, and when I'm going somewhere my makeup looks like shit. Am I the only one? Am I the only one? So I just went off camera and I did the eyes so that I will be able to explain to you exactly what I did, how I did it. So we're going to add another palette, which is the Goals palette by Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush is a sister brand to Tarte Cosmetics. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm going to go in with the shade IRL, and I'm just going to go over my crease with it. Like, it's such a pigmented brown and I kind of like it for this look. The secret to every eyeshadow look is the blend. So then we're gonna go in with our Endless Shade Stick in Matte Cocoa. This is from Pixie. Now this is an amazing matte shade. It's brown but not like a true brown. So then I'm going to go over my upper line where I would normally go with an eyeliner. So it's kind of my eyeliner line. Then I'm just going to go create like a little arch, like I'm trying to make an eyeliner out of this, but this is not going to be our eyeliner. Next thing, I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to be using my Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Conceal Pro Concealer. This is in shade CO2. So then we're going to go in with the Goals palette again, and we're just going to use the shade Peace, because baby, we need peace in this world this year, because whoa, that's actually packing on really beautifully. Then next we're going to go in with the shade Denim. It's like a baby blue vibes around here, and I'm gonna pop it on the inner corner of my eye, just kind of break out that monotony of the pastel purple. So I'm just going to use the Revolution Pro Deep Liner in the shade Black, and I'm going to go in with the I Heart Revolution. I think this is, I don't know what this is. So it looks like a pen that, I don't know if you're in Kenya and you know, back in primary school we used to have pens like these that actually, even I think they do exist now if I'm not wrong. So like they had different kinds of inks inside. So this one has you know, makeup pen. It's a makeup pen, I could say. So I'm going to use the shade Purple, and we're just going to underline my waterline. Tip top. So next thing, we're going to go in with the mascara. Then I'm going to put on the lashes. So I'm going in with the large lash mascara. This is from Pixie. Then I'm gonna go in with the liner, and we're just going to dot on some black spots on. So that's it from me for today, guys. I hope you love the look, hope you love the process. It's all about the process, baby. All about the process. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because I have more amazing looks over there that I haven't you know, done tutorials on, but I do keep up my Instagram updated. Anyway, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button and subscribe to the family if you've reached this far, and I will hope to see you. And also give me a thumbs up. Oh my god, I almost forgot that part. So don't forget to come back to the next video by hitting that subscribe button, okay? So, and the bell button so that you get notified every single time I actually upload a video, because sometimes, you know, the YouTube algorithm is not in my best interest. I don't know what I did to it, but yeah. So anyway guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.